Hi, in this video I'll show you how we have made it a lot easier for people to test SAP PI PO interfaces with an OpenUI5 application. So we have here a list of all the integrations object, ICO, sender agreement, receiver agreements. Right now I've just done a filtering, but otherwise you can filter on all columns and stuff like that. So we can record a number of messages, and what this means is it will wait for the next 3 messages on both of these interfaces, save them, and then we can use those for as a testing case. So now we have created this, and we can see what are the different messages that we have, and we can then start here. They'll add the modules to the chains and start processing the messages. We don't want to do that right now in this demo. Then here we have a list of our different systems that we have run. We can run these test cases, and this will start the processing of these messages. We can check if there's any results on these yet, but it will send the message through the PI system, download the results, either using GMS or HTTP, and then we can actually see what's going on. Let's just take one of these that has been completed here. We can view the result. We can see what are the differences in this document. So here it's quite easy to see what's been changed in the document, and it can go through multiple pages to make it easier to process large documents. So just another example, I think it's this one. Let's see here. Here it's just long way down, we have some change. So let's try this one. So this is a little bigger document, and it's running on a separate VM in a separate location. So here we can see it's able to process this large document that is too different. We also have the ability for the user to do a binary difference, so we can quite easily see what are the difference. And a lot of time in PI, it's nice to see if there's any code pages that has been changed for some reason and figure out why we have this specific case into it. So this really helps and makes it a lot easier for people to find the differences that are occurring. So and then we got configuration, we got the ability to configure channels or what our different systems are, and obviously some generic template channels. So the reason we chose UI5 was it was easy for SAP people to experience this, and it is really easy to get a good overview of the different tables and create tables. And this is all tables, the full application. And then there's a nice walkthrough that allow people to be guided through what you have and want to do with regarding to testing. So we actually have a free application of this. You can actually just go to figaf.com/IRT, and here you'd be able to download it, install it on your own system, and run it. So right now it's running as a standalone Tomcat application. Makes it really easy for users to get started and experience the full testing suite.